రండి శృతి మీరు కూడా రండి వెనకాల బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో నిల్చోండి
ఓకే
ఓకే యా
చెప్పండి
స్టార్ట్ I am Srinivas. I am from People for Lok Satta. We demand Indian government to include Jan Lokpal bill. We want to include a three-tier Lokpal system. Lokpal is at national level and Lokayukta is at state level and the district level ombudsman, so that the corruption from top to bottom can be captured with under single umbrella. As in right now, whatever the Lokpal bill has been proposed, only 15% of the officials and public servants are covered. If we cover a three-tier system, it will cover from basic village level to Delhi level corruption, so that we have a system to where to complain immediately when there is a corruption going on, rather than each individual going to Delhi and complaining against a local public servant. So as Lok Satta party and People for Lok Satta, we demand a single umbrella bill, three-tier Lokpal bill. We want all three tiers included in that. Next.
Hi, I am Prakash Kapila, Vice President Finance New Jersey, PFL. I think why we need Jan Lokpal is because right now the laws are in such a way that nobody higher up is obeying those laws. We need to create a law such that even they can be under the umbrella of law and order. Right now, MPs, MLAs, and ministers are you have to get permission. You have to go through so much of procedures. A person like Subramania Swamy had to wait for 2 years to proceed against Raja. What about our normal guys like us? We need a Jan Lokpal so that we have a system in place that can prevent such kind of incidences further. It's not, we have $1.3 trillion overseas, and our needs are just needs of infrastructure across the country are just $1 trillion. So we have $300 billion more than what we need, but still we don't have that money. This is because we don't have a proper structure in place that can prevent corruption from the district level to the national level. So ombudsman at the district level, Lokayukta at state level, and Lokpal at the national level will be able to create a fear among the politicians that they are accountable, that they can be thrown into jail. That fear is missing right now. And most important of these things is if you go into any criminal court, if you go into any civil court, the cases there are pending for 20 years. Any requisition that happens in collector office, any requisition that happens in any state department, you don't know how the process is going on. Even though people like Jayaprakash Narayan have come out with a good RTI and it's also a law, but still it doesn't have the teeth. So if we include ACB as well as CBI as a part of a criminal investigation wing to this Lokayukta and Lokpal, then we will have the teeth as well as the law that is supporting the common people. We all want India to be corrupt free. Only then the businesses can move forward. Only then the money that individual needs, only the money that new entrepreneurs need will happen. Otherwise, we are only going to slide down. This is the time when everybody has to get up, because it's not your life, it's your children's and grandchildren's life. It is your India that is at trouble. It is your country that is at trouble. It is your children's future and grandchildren's future that is at trouble. The dream of India is crumbling. We all have to support. Otherwise, there won't be any India. Look at Italy. Look at Greece. Look at London. The riots are happening on day-to-day basis because people don't have the opportunity to move forward. We don't want that to happen. India is 120 crore people, and we want opportunities to each and every one of them. The only way we can have that is when people who have talent have got the capital. People who have the ability have the opportunity to move forward. Right now we don't have that. With a good law and order, we will have that. Jai Jan Lokpal. Jai Hind.
say anything?